Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to gift wrap with a cute little bag and make it look elegant and creative. So let's get started. But before I start, please click the subscribe button below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. To start with, I'm going to take my mini Bowdabra and I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm going to fold it in half, and basically what I'm doing is I'm cutting it long enough so that I can tuck the ends underneath. So those will tuck underneath there. Then I'm going to take 20 inches of my Bowdabra scrunchie ribbon and just scrunch that down in here and just keep scrunching it in. I love this ribbon. It's just so much fun to work with, and there's so many uses. So just scrunch all that down into my mini Bowdabra. Now the reason I folded it in half before I laid it into the mini Bowdabra is that I'm just going to pull the ends here through my slip knot, hold it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. I'm going to pull it out and I'm going to separate my ends, bring it around to the back, and I'm just going to tie a knot here. So then what I'll do is I'm just going to take the ends and clip them really close. And now I have like my really cute little scrunchy bow. And so what I'm going to do is take my little organza gift bag and I'm going to take my gift and put that inside. But because the organza is see-through, I'm going to just take my scrunchy bow and put that in here and just sort of flatten it all out. So that shields the gift so you don't see. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. Just scrunch that down. So it kind of just gives us a cover to the gift. And I'm just going to pull that and we'll just tie this, but I'm not going to knot my bag. I'm just going to tie it off. And then I'm going to put it aside. And I have 40 inches of my 6-inch wide tulle, but I've folded it in half. So I'm just going to take some more of my Bowdabra bow wire, and I'm folding it in half and just laying it in, and again, I'm just tucking the ends underneath. Then I'll take my mesh, and we're just going to make a really cute little bow here. So we're just going to fold it back and forth. You don't have to twist with the mesh. So it's real simple, just fold back and forth, and of course you could use any color you want. But this makes a great gift wrapping idea for pretty much any season. I mean, this one, because I'm using the light blue, baby blue mesh, would be really pretty for like a baby shower gift. And then what I'm gonna do is I've taken my rose stems and I'm just gonna twist the ends here together. I've folded it up. And then I'm just going to lay these down into my Bowdabra, and I've got 3 on each side. Then I'm going to take my Bowdabra wire and pull that through, pull it tight while it's still in my mini Bowdabra, pull it out, and a lot of people ask me where they can buy the mini Bowdabra, and you can definitely buy it at Hobby Lobby or Amazon or Bowdabra.com. So we're just going to knot that, and then I'm going to take this over to my bag, and I'm just going to tie this onto the bag. So I'm just going to tie this here, and then I'm going to just tie like a bow tie because I want the person to be easily able to open the gift. And we'll just shape this out. And now you have this really creative and super simple gift wrap idea that you could use for any season. Before we finish today, please click the subscribe button and subscribe to our YouTube channel below or follow us on Facebook. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.